Good morning, my dear students of class 3. How are you all? My dear student, it is the second part of your chapter 2. In the first part, I explain you different types of keys. In this part, we learn about the special keys. What is the special keys and what is the function of special keys? There are some keys on the keyboard which are used for special purpose. These are called special keys. For example, backspace key, delete key, spacebar key, enter keys, caps lock keys, shift keys, home keys, in key, control keys, punctuation keys, and tab key. Now we learn about every special keys and their function. What is the use of backspace key? The backspace key erases any character that is present to the left side of the cursor. If any letter is written typed wrong on the computer and that letter is which side? On left side, then which key we use? We use backspace key to erase that characters. For example, we wanted to type the mouse, but the mistake we type the letter Y after U. To remove the letter Y, place the cursor after it and press the backspace key. The letter Y gets removed. If you want to erase any character that is present on the which side? On the left side of the cursor, then we can use backspace keys. Delete key. The delete key erases any character that is present to the right side of the cursor. Which side? For right side of the cursor. There are two delete keys on the keyboard. If, for example, if we want to type the word right, but by mistake we type the letter J after H, you can see this image. To remove the letter J, place the cursor before it and press the which key? Delete key. Then the letter J gets removed. It's mean, my dear student, if we want to erase anything that is the left side of the cursor, then we can use backspace key. And if we want to erase anything that is right side of the cursor, then we use delete key. That second one is the space bar keys. The space bar key is the longest key on a computer keyboard. It is used to put a blank space between two letters or numbers. Like if we want to type any sentence like uh, I love computer, then first we type which thing? First we type I, then press the space bar key, then type love, then press space bar key, then type computers. It's mean space bar key is used to put a blank space between two letters, words or numbers. The fourth one special key is enter key. The enter key is used to start a new line. Our keyboard has two enter keys. Enter keys on be different shapes. You can see the enter key. First one is this and second one. For example, to type two sentences, I love computer and learning computer is fun in two different lines. So what we can do? First we have to type a first sentence like I love computers. Then we put the cursor in the end of first sentence. Where we put the cursor? I love computers. Then we press enter key. The cursor gets placed at the beginning of the next line. And then we can type our next sentence. It's been enter key is used to start a new line. There are how many enter keys on the keyboard? There are two enter keys on the keyboard. Next key, special key is caps lock key. The caps lock key is lets you type letters in capital. The caps lock key indicator light glows green when it is on. For example, if we want to type keyboard in capital letter, first we have to press the caps lock key once. When we type, the keyboard will appear in capital letter keyboard. For type the capital letters word, we have to first on the caps lock key. Second one, next one is the shift key. Shift key can be used to type capital letter with the caps lock key is off. If the caps lock key is not on, then we can use shift key to type the capital letter. For type capital letter, we have to be type press the shift key and the alphabet key at the same time. But if the caps lock key is on, if the caps lock key is on and then we pressing the shift key with any alphabet key, then the letter display in small. Don't forget this thing. Shift key is used in both cases. If the caps lock key is off, then we can shift key use to type the alphabet keys capital, and when the caps lock key is on, then we can pressing the shift key with the alphabet key will display small letters. Some keys on the keyboard have two characters. The shift key can be used this those keys to type the upper character written on them. See, you can see in many keys of the keyboard there is written two signs just like a question marks, exclamation marks, full stop, comma. The shift key is used to type the upper character written on them. See, here is a question. Hina wants to write the names of place visited by her along with the name of the state. Mumbai, Maharashtra, Imphal, Manipur, Bangalore, Karnataka. To name the key, we should use to type the names in different lines. Enter key. Name the keys, we should use to put a blank space between the name of the cities and state. Space bar key. And name the key, we should use to type the first letter of the two words in each name in capital without turning on the caps lock key. Then we use shift keys. So my dear student, it is the second part of your second chapter. To learn this use function of special keys in the next part, I will again explain you more special keys and their function. Till there, my dear student, take care and revise your work.